You know the AMG GT, but this is the 2026 Mercedes-Benz AMG GT, and it represents a bold evolution of AMG's performance philosophy. This car isn't just designed to look fast or sound aggressive. It's engineered to deliver an emotional driving experience while still being refined. Enough for everyday use. From the first glance, the AMG GT commands attention. The long hood, wide stance, and sculpted body panels give it a classic Grand Touring silhouette with a modern AMG edge. The front fascia is dominated by a large Panamericana grille and aggressive air intakes that don't just look dramatic, they actively improve cooling and aerodynamics. Along the sides, flowing lines and muscular fenders emphasize power, while the rear features sleek LED lighting, a performance diffuser, and quad exhaust tips that hint at what's waiting under the hood. Step inside, and the cabin instantly feels driver-focused. The interior blends luxury with motorsport inspiration. High-quality materials like leather, aluminum, and carbon fiber surround you, while AMG sport seats provide excellent support whether you're cruising or pushing hard through corners. The digital instrument cluster and central touchscreen are crisp and customizable, allowing you to prioritize navigation, performance data, or pure driving focus. Ambient lighting, premium audio, and intelligent connectivity make the AMG GT feel as advanced as it is fast. Now let's talk performance, because that's where the AMG GT truly shines. For 2026, the AMG GT offers multiple powertrain options depending on the trim. At its core is a handcrafted twin-turbo engine lineup, including powerful inline-six and iconic 4.0-liter V8 biturbo configurations. The V8 models deliver brutal acceleration, with power figures pushing well beyond 500 horsepower in higher trims. Paired with a fast-shifting AMG SpeedShift transmission and intelligent all-wheel drive, the AMG GT launches with authority and maintains relentless pull at highway speeds. Some versions also feature hybrid assistance, using electric power to enhance torque and responsiveness. This doesn't dilute the driving experience, it amplifies it. Throttle response feels immediate, overtakes happen effortlessly, and the car remains composed even when driven aggressively. Handling is equally impressive. Adaptive suspension, active ride control, and rear-wheel steering allow the AMG GT to feel surprisingly agile for its size. In tight corners, the car feels planted and confident, while on long highway drives it settles into a smooth, refined Grand Tourer. Multiple drive modes let you switch from relaxed comfort to track-focused aggression at the push of a button. Despite its performance credentials, the AMG GT remains practical. The four-seat layout offers usable space for passengers, and the trunk provides enough room for weekend trips or daily errands. This balance between performance and usability is what truly sets the AMG GT apart. It's a supercar-level machine that doesn't demand daily sacrifices. Of course, this level of performance comes with trade-offs. Fuel efficiency isn't its strongest point, and the abundance of technology may feel overwhelming to some. But those compromises fade the moment you hear the engine start, feel the surge of acceleration, and experience the precision of AMG engineering. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz AMG GT isn't just a car, it's a statement. It's built for drivers who want excitement without giving up luxury, power without losing control, and performance without limits. Whether you're navigating city streets or opening it up on the open road, the AMG GT delivers an experience that feels thrilling, refined, and unmistakably AMG.